Hell yeah.
Yo, what is going on YouTube? Right? I know it's been a minute, but if you watch one of my last two videos, the industry been kind of slow lately in releases, right? Y'all see my loose shirt. I'm about to go to the gym. Don't worry about it. I ain't got no appointments today. It's Father's Day. So with that being said, happy Father's Day to everyone that's watching this who's a father or a single mother that deserves that happy Father's Day. I don't know your situation. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. All right. But it's been kind of slow in the industry. But just in time for Father's Day, I had something come in. But before we get to that, as y'all can see what the title is, y'all probably already know what it is, and probably by the thumbnail. But before we get into all that, if you like the videos, thumbs up. If you dislike them, there's a thumbs down button as well. Fine, press it, all right? Subscribe, share, comment, stay engaged, all right? But after 2 months of waiting, we pre-ordered some stuff from Gamma, all right? I'm gonna just do the unboxing of the clippers right now and then do the trimmers in another video because why put them together when instead of getting I get more views. It is what it is, right? Or extra views. So today we have, ta-da! Say it with me now. Ta-da! We have the Gamma X-ERGO. As y'all know, from clippers that released last year, Ergos and the JRL 2020Cs is two of my favorite clippers. I have kind of backed off from using the Ergos so much because I do use the JRLs more, and I'm still a magic clip guy. I love magic clips, although the Ergos are what they are. If you haven't seen my unboxing or review of those, I'll leave the link in the description because we have the original Ergos, right? Hit the camera, the original Ergos, and then we have the Rogues, which I don't have here with me. But if you didn't see the unboxing and review of that, I'll leave it down below. But today we have X-ERGO. What's the difference of them really? I don't know yet. But before we get into all that and what it might include in the machinery, let's unbox it. As you can see, still the same basic unboxing. They got a little bit of different view for it. Technically, you get the same color schemes. You get the silver, rose gold, and the gold. Still the same stand. So nothing in that department. All right. Before we get to the actual machine and how it feels, we're going to open this up to see what comes in the box. You get some, they got their silver guard. Are these the magnetic? They are magnetic, it looks like. You get the double magnetic guards. That's kind of cool. Silver with it. All right, you get, I'm guessing you get all the way to an 8. 5, you get to 5, yeah. Or to a 5. 6. You get up to a 5. Something like that. You get the half guard to 5. You get some bracket changes or lever changes to change with your color scheme if you want to change the topping. Get your plug, of course. And of course, Gamma always like to include their little nice screws. I have a lot of these right now. All right. And then you get the extra plates that comes with them. You can mix and match. Get your manual and all your good stuff. All right. Pretty much the same design. Now, and as far as you get 10,000 RPM, matter of fact, I'm going to read these together and see if there's much of a difference. All right. They both have 10,000 RPM with the diamond, the black diamond carbon blade. You get the customizable click levers. That's different because the first one you could change the leads, but you couldn't change the. I'm pretty sure you can, but it didn't come with extra levers, things of that nature. So you do get the magnetic guards. You got the 10,000 RPM. You can zero gap it. You still get the 120 minutes of runtime with still 105 minutes of charge time. And that's their rapid charge. They couldn't get it no faster than that. So by just reading the boxes and by reading what they are, as far as motor wise, they're the same. This has a microchip motor with upgraded PCB board, tuned for increased power efficiency and performance. So, without knowing the in or out, the insides and how it works and all that stuff, from the basic eye, it's the same thing. But this supposedly has a different motor. And I do like the design of these because you can see inside it. It's kind of cool. This is the original. This is a bit heavier, not like by a lot, but you can notice the difference in weight. And maybe that is the motor that comes in it. Still the click lever. The original one came with the fade blade. This comes with a taper blade, as you can see. And as you can see, this is kind of, the newer one is a bit wider, a bit thicker. So that size is noticeable when you're holding it. Very much noticeable. This is the original one, very quiet. Same way, click lever. Now this one, microchip, different blade. This is turbocharged magnetic motor, and this is a microchip motor. Let's see. See if y'all can tell the difference. Sound exactly the same. Neither one of them really feel like it's got more power to it. And that's just me holding it off of first go round. But that is the X-ERGO Gamma. From Gamma. I do like that feel. They got the grooves right there. See, and that's, if you go back and watch my unboxing and review of this slipperiness is one thing that I didn't like of those. This it still got the same shine to an extent, but it's more of a matte finish. Not technically matte, but it's more of it got a better grip on it. Then you got the grooves. So, all right. Nothing crazy, nothing too much of a difference, but we will see the difference in the cut. Hopefully. We will see, because technically there's nothing different from the eye. This is a different motor, but it's still on the same sense of the 120 hours. That would be crazy. 120 minutes of run time with 105 minutes of charge time. So on that standpoint, you're really not changing anything as far as the clipper goes. All right. And like I said, from the first feel of it, you can't really feel the power. If there's any more power, they're about the same in sound. I do like that though. I like that better. I guess you can, these come with them on it, but I guess they got screws right here. You could just take that off, mix and match with other ones, as you've seen that they got different plates to go on them. So we're gonna give this a go. We're gonna give this at least a week of run time. We're gonna see how it charges. We're gonna see about how long it runs, and see if there's anything different within the actual feel in the cut of the blade. I love this fade blade. Having a fade blade on that, which is, go back to these, the 50 cals. I love the fade blade of them, but we will give this a go, see how it is. On the website, these are, I think they're $219, $220, which is $21 more than the original one. They do have a different motor, which explains, at least in the sense of how they make them, that explains the change in the price. All right. And because it's new, why not charge you more? But we're gonna give it a go. That's a tight lever. I like that. I don't like it too tight. This ain't too tight on the lever portion of it. As you can see, same charge. It comes with a dock. It comes with the charge dock. So pretty much everything is the same except for a different motor. And it comes with a different blade. And the accessories are a bit different in the sense that it comes with different levers. But that is the unboxing, quick unboxing of the Ergos, the X edition. X-ERGOs. We're gonna see how they go. Reading the box and, you know, actually using it is two different things when you comparing clippers. So with all that being said, I keep going back to the same thing. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you dislike it, thumbs down. Come back in about a week or two and I have the review on the Gamma X-ERGO. All right? Is that cool? Is that okay? If not, it's still gonna happen. See you in about 2 weeks. Peace.